Okay, this is page 47 in the workbook, and we're going to do 1 through 15. So we'll see how long this video takes. I'm thinking it's going to take 2 videos to do this page. So write an equation of a line in slope-intercept form with the given slope and y-intercept. So all you're doing is substituting in for m and b, your y-intercept and your slope. So we're changing the m, changing the b. So this first one is y equals, the slope is 5, so it's 5x, plus the y-intercept is -3, so there you go. You can rewrite this as y equals 5x minus 3, and you'll be done. That's question 1. Question 2, same thing. Y equals, instead of this m, you're going to write the slope -6x. Y-intercept's -2, so you just write -2. You don't write plus a -2. Number 5, y equals 3x plus 2. Done. Number 6, y equals 1x minus 12. Done. Number 2. Okay, see how easy these are? Y equals, you're substituting in mx plus b. Again, you're substituting m and b. M and b are numbers. X and y are letters. So -2x plus 7 is your answer for number 2. Number 4, y equals 7x plus 1. All right, this is getting monotonous because it's too easy. Y equals -4x minus 9. That's it. And the last one, y equals 0x plus 8. So y equals 8. This is a particular one. This is HOI, horizontal line, 0 slope, and it passes through the y-intercept at 8. Okay? Any questions on 1 through 8? Raise your hand if that was easy. Thank you. Number 9, 10, 11, and 12. Again, all we're doing on 9, 10, 11, 12 is substituting in for m and b. So I'm going to write y equals mx plus b. In fact, I'm going to write y equals blank x plus blank. Y equals blank x plus blank. Someday I'm going to get a song that says that. Y equals blank x plus blank. Okay, so we need to fill in, the blanks. Where is our y-intercept? Let's do those first. So here's the y-axis right there. There's the y-intercept for that one. There's the y-intercept for that one. There's the y-intercept for that one. Do we have any horizontal or vertical lines? And the answer is no. So we're not going to have Hoyer bucks on any of these because they go up, down, and down. So the slope's going to be positive. This one's going to be negative. This one's going to be a negative. So let's fill in the b first. 0, -3, that's 0b. So b is -3, we put that there. Then we got 0, 2, 0b again. So b is 2, we put that there. This one, 0b is -1, so we put that there. That's easy. Now we figure out the slopes. So slopes are either up and to the right or down and to the right. We're either going to go from this first dot and we're going to go up and to the right for a positive slope, or we're going to go down and right for a negative slope. That's how you find slope. And that's how you find your m, and you just put that in. So we're going to go from this point to this point. So we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. You know it's positive because we're going up. And then we're going to turn and go right 2. So our slope is 4 divided by 2, and now we simplify that. Y equals 2x minus 3 is your answer. Raise your hand if that was easy. Okay, excellent. Here we go to the next one. The slope's going to be negative, so we know that's a negative right there. It's going to go down and to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down, and 2 to the right. So -6 divided by 2. -6 divided by 2. We now simplify that. -6 divided by 2 is -3x plus 2. Final answer. All right. And the last one, number 11. it's negative, so we know it's negative for the slope. We're going to go down 2 and right 2. So that's negative 2 over 2. Now we simplify. Y equals negative 2 over 2 is negative 1, and we just write negative x. Does everybody see that we write negative x, not negative 1x? And then plus a negative 1, we just write minus 1. So your final answer looks like this. And you have to understand that that negative sign means a negative 1 slope. Any questions on 9, 10, and 11? Those of you that are working here. All right, let's now graph. Now we're going to work backwards. Now we're going to graph the y-intercept and use the slope to find a second point. We're going to graph the y-intercept, use the slope to find another point. We're going to graph the y-intercept, use the slope to find another point. That's all we're going to do. So we're working backwards, yes? So here we go. What's the y-intercept? Step 1, 0, 4. It's right there. That's your B. Your slope is right here before the x. If there's no number for before the x, it's a 1. So your slope's 1 over 1. So from that point 0, 4, I'm going to go up 1 and right 1 and put another dot. You ready? So from that point 0, 4. So first graph 0, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like we found this point right here and wrote negative 3 for B. Same thing. Now, we're going to take, and from that point, we're going to go up 1 and right 1. So up 1 and right 1 and put another dot. Just like we found that slope by going up 4 and right 2. Same idea. Okay, we have 2 dots. We can now draw a line. So you use your straight edge and draw a line.